Today I'm going to show you how to apply the Helios shoe whitener on your old pair of shoes. So the one layer has already been put on the shoe, but after it dried up, there are still some places which are still not white enough yet. I'm going to add another layer. So how to do it? Just open it. So here you can see the brush. Now you have to push the brush to let the ink come out. Now here you will see. Did you see that? Yes, this is how the whitener works. And now you will see it is getting even whiter. After it gets dry out, maybe it may not look as white as it is looking, but yes, it looks even better. If I had shown you the shoes earlier, you would have asked me to throw it away because it was in really bad shape. Then I washed it, and then I thought about like recoloring it because it was not looking that much of a good. Oh, wow, it actually looks good. It is a tricky part, but somehow I did it in first go. Usually I tend to make more mistakes, but that didn't happen here. Yeah, here is the tricky part. Now I have to adjust it. So make sure you do not get it on the leather. Just have to rub it. See, do you see the color difference? I guess. Yes, would you? Yeah. Okay, let's go ahead and put some more. I have to push it to get more ink outside. Ink, or let's say whitener, whatever. But it works very well, as in it hides all those marks, oil marks, dust marks, or whichever marks which are not getting washed off by water, soap, etc, etc. So this will hide them, not completely, as I can see, like this mark is not going away, not at all, I mean. So this is my second layer which I'm going to add, and maybe on the third layer it may disappear, the mark. Here is another one. Yep, let's try and white them again. I guess I have to push it to make it yep. Oh wow, it really looks nice. The thick white color is coming out now, so we will try to apply it right. So I guess our all efforts did not go waste at all. Yep, that's about right. Yeah, at the time of coloration, or let's say when I was doing it for the first time, so my hand was kind of shaking because I had to put a lot of pressure on it. So that time I had few mistakes which you can see. Yup. Wow, that looks really nice. Voila. Wow. Done. Oh, here it is still remaining. Yes, I left. Can you see? Can you see it? Now it has disappeared into the thin layer of this liquid. I have to do something about this one. Anyways, the shoe looks almost brand new. Not until you see the bottom of it. Of course, it would look dirty as it is. But yeah, it kind of make you feel satisfied after wearing it or after seeing it that your old shoe is, back to its place. Alright. Here, I missed the spot. Yoo-hoo. Sayonara.